Let's get you our next breaking update. This again is vis-a-vis Jammu and Kashmir. The abrogation of Article 370, remember that entire issue that has been raked up again. The National Conference here is blaming the Congress. The NC leader has said that Congress caused more damage than the BJP. Let's listen in exactly to what we heard.
जितना नुकसान बीजेपी ने हमें कराया उससे कहीं ज्यादा तो उन लोगों ने कराया जिनकी आप बात कर रहे हैं। पहले तो वही इसके जिम्मेदार है। आस्ते आस्ते इरोजन तो उनके दौर में आया, लेकिन इनको 70 साल लगे आर्टिकल 370 और यहाँ के हमारी खुसूसी रियायत को खत्म करने में 70 साल लगे, लेकिन अपना एजेंडा कभी बीजेपी ने नहीं छोड़ा। नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस भी वैसे कर रही है। हमने अपने वादे से हमने इनहराफ नहीं किया। देखा जाए तो पहले इरोजन तो उन्होंने किया, अब उनको वहाँ क्या मजबूरियाँ होंगी, नेशनल लेवल पे उनको क्या मजबूरियाँ होंगी, तो उनको एड्रेस कर रहे हैं।
Let's also get in our colleague Suhail, who's joining us live on the show right now from Srinagar. You know, Suhail, there is this interesting shadow boxing / a lot of political one-upmanship that is happening right now vis-a-vis the Jammu and Kashmir elections. The National Conference now is saying that the Congress is a bigger enemy than the BJP, and this is, you know, on the same issue of the abrogation of Article 370 that the NC wants to reinstate, but the Congress says that that is not our stated position.
Well, in fact, this also reflects the, divide between the two alliance partners, National Conference and Congress in Jammu and Kashmir. We have already reported how, in fact, these political parties are fighting against each other, even on those seats where they have declared a pre-poll alliance. Omar Abdullah basically contesting from Gaunderbal constituency, now facing a rebel Congress leader who is contesting against him. Now, there is strong lobby and strong number of leaders inside National Conference who basically believe and subscribe to the statement of Dr. Bashir Ahmad Veeri, who is a very senior National Conference leader. In fact, is a key policy maker for the National Conference, believing that it is basically Congress who has caused more damage to Article 370. The erosion, he basically says, has taken place during the Congress rule. So National Conference leaders basically in here, Dr. Bashir Ahmad Veeri now taking lead, speaking as to exclusively and blaming Congress for the abrogation of Article 370, saying that they have caused more damage to 370. This is happening at a time when both the political parties are in a pre-poll alliance arrangement and in a seat-sharing arrangement. And as I said, there are several political leaders of National Conference who are basically not willing to go with the Congress, and they are continuously making statements. And in fact, there are NC National Conference leaders who have left party to contest against the Congress party as an independent candidate, while the Congress says that they will take action against those leaders. But National Conference has said that they expected this sort of in fact happening in Jammu and Kashmir. But the important question arises here is that National Conference is promising the implementation of autonomy resolution that was rejected by Vajpayee government. They are also promising the restoration of Article 370. Now Congress is clearly cornered on this particular question, whether they subscribe to the ideology and the manifesto of National Conference or not. But in between, now statements coming from National Conference and National Conference.
So a lot of interesting conversations, I think, and we'll keep tracking that to find out which political party stands where. As I thank you, we are also moving on now to get you our next breaking update.